The Manfrotto 577 Rapid Connect Adapter is the most commonly recommended quick release plate for use with Glidecams. It's very small, it's not very expensive, it's maybe $50, $40 in some places, and it's really easy to use, and it makes using the Glidecam really simple because you can balance your camera onto the quick release plate, and then you'll always be putting the camera right back where you left it. But there's a downside, and that is the tensioner knob ends up either getting pinched at the base of the Glidecam head, or if you're using something like a DSLR, you're not able to rotate it around. So at most you're getting about 180 degrees of movement. Manfrotto's built this knob with a spring in it, which means you can pull it back to rotate it without undoing your initial rotation. But the spring is really tight, and in close quarters is not very handy. So what I've done to solve this problem is take the spring out. It's not very hard if you know how. First, you need a 7/64 hex or Allen key. Put the key into the small hexagonal hole in the middle of the tension knob and unscrew the screw. Take out the spring and screw it back together. That's it. So now you'll see this comes out really easy. And regardless of how much room you have, you can always turn it, pull it out, flip it back, slide it back in, and adjust it to your heart's content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.